Today we are diving into the world of cystic acne. We'll explore the risk and side effects of extraction and discuss some natural alternatives you can try instead. What is cystic acne? Cystic acne is one of the most severe form of acne. It occurs when the oil, dead skin cells and bacteria gets trapped deep inside your pores, leading to painful, inflamed and large cysts like bumps. Unlike regular acne, cystic acne doesn't resolve easily and often leads to scars if not treated properly. Extraction refers to the process of manually removing this cyst, often performed by a dermatologist. Risk of big cystic acne extractions. While extractions can provide immediate relief, it is essential to be aware of the disadvantages and side effects. Number 1. Risk of scarring. Extraction can lead to scarring, especially if done improper or if the skin is already sensitive. Number 2. Infection. The risk of introducing bacteria on the skin which can worsen the situation. Number 3. Inflammation. The area may become more inflamed post-extraction, leading to further discomfort. Number 4. Temporary results. Extraction doesn't address the underlying cause of the cystic acne, which means it's often a temporary fix. Healthier alternatives. Instead of resorting to extraction, consider these healthier alternatives that can help manage cystic acne. Number 1. Dietary changes. Instead of relying on extraction, why not address cystic acne from inside out? What you eat has a huge impact on your skin health. Number 1. Omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, walnuts and chia seeds reduces inflammation and maintains balanced skin oils. Number 2. Probiotic rich foods. Yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut improves gut health, which is directly linked to acne breakouts. Number 3. Vitamin A rich foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach supports skin regeneration, reduces sebum production. Number 4. Zinc rich foods. Pumpkin seeds, lentils, oysters controls oil production and has anti-inflammatory properties. Number 5. Antioxidant packed foods like berries, oranges, papaya fight oxidative stress which can trigger acne. Topical treatments. Salicylic acid. This can help unclog pores and reduces inflammation. Benzoyl peroxide effective in cleaning acne causing bacteria and preventing further breakouts. Hydration. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps maintain skin health and can reduce severity of acne. For persistent cystic acne, oral medications or chemical peels may be more effective. Conclusion. In summary, while big cystic acne extraction may provide temporary relief, it's essential to be aware of its disadvantages and side effects. Focusing on dietary changes, topical treatments can lead to healthier long-term solutions for managing cystic acne.